Y'all, look what came in. I'm so excited. It's my Coldest water bottle. Y'all hear that? Look at my Coldest water bottle. I guess what's on the picture is inside of this box. And it looks like it's my favorite color. It looks like the galaxy. And it says it's the Coldest Limitless bottle, Astro Purple. And guess what? Purple is my favorite color. So let's unbox it. Okay, so we got the top, of course. Oh, they gave me two tops. Okay, okay. I got the straw. Okay, okay. Trying to pull it out. Okay. Okay, it's another straw inside of here, so that's the first. I got two straws because I got two tops. And I don't know, what is this little nozzle thing? Okay, y'all, so look at it. It's cute. I think this part comes off, but it is super, super cute. Let's see if I can take this off. It says 36 hours cold, 13 hours hot. Fits cup holders, of course. That's why we have the skinny bottom, and it's leak proof, and it's the epic handle, so it's super, super sturdy, which it is. I just love it, okay? And I like how they gave us two straws, and they gave us two tops. But this one's not a top. This one is a top, okay? And I'm gonna show you the other top again. So I just love it. Actually, we got three tops. So we have the traditional screw top. Just on like so. You have this top, and look at this. You put a latch down, and it just pops open, and look at that, okay? Woo! Fancy! Never had a top like that before. And this how it looks screwed on the bottle. Cute, and you can carry it from here. Yes, or you can right here. Got it right here. I got you right here, okay? So that's cute too. I like it. Then we have this top. So like I said, it's three tops. I stand corrected. Look at that. So, and you just grab it from here. Okay? Okay, y'all. I love my Coldest water bottle. Let me see if I can take this little part off because we don't need this. Okay. Okay, so I took the label off so you can see the Coldest design. It is cute. It's the Astro Galaxy, y'all, in purple. I love it. So you have the three tops. I love my bottle. I love this handle. My first time having a water bottle with a handle because I just do the other Coldest water bottles with this top. So it's going to be fun to have a handle. And okay, so yes. Get y'all Coldest water bottles. I love it.